Hey, 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 it's Sunday. How's everybody doing out there? All right, Don here from Super Blast. I tried out the new proportioner system today, and man, it works great. And I also did my first roof quote today, which they're going to hold off a little bit. I have a pricing just by talking to people around the general area. Low end's 25 cents a square foot, middle's 30, and the high end's 35 cents a square foot. For, you know, your barrel tile roofs and stuff like that. It's going to take a lot more chlorine to do that. Okay? So what I did was one side of my office / garage here. It's a 24 by 32 inch, 32 foot garage. So it's a pretty good sized roof on the one side. Only the one side needed it. I had cleaned the other side last year. But anyway, let's talk about the drawing. We did reach 1,000 subscribers. And my buddy Rob in Spring Hill, his wife, was the one who hit the 1,000 mark for us. We're over that now. It's not giving me, it won't give me a count until I get to 1,100, I think. But I can go in and check and see how many I have. But I was going to do the drawing today. I'm going to hold off. I'm going to give it about 30 hours from now. And the reason being is I have over 1,000 subscribers. And a lot of people watch the channel. So you can only be in the drawing if you have made a comment. And I have a list of people here. I have 85 people that have made comments. So there's 85 people in the drawing, minus Jose. He won last time, so we got 82 people in the drawing. If you've won once, you cannot win again. All right? That wouldn't be fair to everybody else. So once you're a winner, you're out. Jose, I hope you're enjoying your shirt and your stickers, and I hope you're getting after it, dude. With that J-Rod tip set I gave you. And that'll be it. So we'll do the drawing tomorrow. If you're in the pressure washing business and you watch the channel every day, make sure you make a comment, even if it's just a thumbs up. I'm not going to know you did it, but leave a comment. Say get after it or whatever. As long as your name shows up, you're going to go into the drawing can, which is this. Hear them numbers in there? Oh, yeah, baby. See, there's the numbers. They're in there. It sits here until we do the drawing. All right? So, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that. If you have some friends that like pressure washing, tell them about it. It's crazy stuff. Let's watch it, right? All right, winner's going to get a gallon of sticky. Going to get a good ball valve. You're going to get a t-shirt, 2 stickers. One that says Super Blast, pressure washing, get after it. And the other one says, warning, don't touch my shit. And that'll wrap it up. Then we'll have another drawing when we get to 1,500. All right? Hope everybody's having a good Sunday. Enjoy the film today. It's a short one. And remember, get after it. Hey, 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 Don here. All right, we're going to play with the new toys. Here's my new proportioner system. As you can see, the water is on 100%. So we're going to crank the water down to 50%. And we're going to crank the soap to 50%. Down there. And open the soap just a little. How about 2% soap? All right. So that should give me a 6% mix, right? It's pretty windy out. I'll have to try to keep the spray down. We'll see what happens. All right. Let's get it fired up and try it. Okay, let's look at the valve system. Okay, here's the valve for tank A and B. So when I flip up, it's going to take from tank B and draw it. And it's going to draw it into here, and it's going to go that way. And it's going to go into the valve, and then it's going to go down that tube to the Zeta. All right. However, I want to pull from tank A right here, so this is tank A. It's pointing this way at tank A. Hey! All right, we should be all set up and ready to go. Let me see this position over here. I think it's going to work. We'll have to see. I just have to mark my levels real quick so I know exactly what's going on and if it's working correctly. We'll be right back. All right, let's fire this puppy up and let's get the air out of the lines. First thing I'm going to do is open everything up, okay? That's ready to spray right there. The valve's closed for this, so we're ready to open up. Okay, so this is pointing this way. That means we're going to flow this way. Whenever this thing is pointing that way. Then when we're done with it, we'll purge it and we'll shut everything off, shut the thing off, and we'll clean all this out. And it's going to come out the bottom. All right, there's only one way to find out if this is all going to work. Let's just get it fired up. All right, here we go. Looks like we're going to get something. Let me test it out. All right, looks like we got it running. Let's go ahead and get this roof done. Okay, now you got to flush everything out, all right? Okay, that's purging all the chemicals out of the system. That's beautiful, nice fresh water. Okay. You got to turn the machine off before you change the valves to any other position, okay? So we're going to do that, and then we'll rinse out the line next. We'll be right back. All right, we're done purging all this. Everything's rinsed. Now we're going to turn it back on and we're going to run the water through the wand. And actually, I'm just going to turn the wand. I'll run some fresh water through the wand just to rinse the wand out, and then we'll shut it back down and just let it run through the hose. And then we'll rinse all that excess coming off the side of the garage there. It looks like it really wiped that roof out. It looks brand new. All right, we'll be right back. All right, let's watch this thing clear out. It's just bringing through fresh water, so it'll rinse it out. All right, it'll be easier without the gun on it. We're going to take the gun off. We'll be right back. All right, the most important thing to do is to rinse this stuff out, you know? And it's rinsing really nice. Let me see. Oh yeah, that's nice fresh water. A little bit of slipperiness. You can tell when you got chlorine still in the line. It's very slippery. It's like slick. Takes a while to rinse 200 feet of line out. It's getting really nice now though. That's good. Still a little bit coming out. Anyway, it's real important to do that and make sure you rinse everything off. I don't have any landscape over here. We're going to be putting down some pea gravel along here. Oh yeah, look at that roof. It's a glistering, brand new. It'll be nice to step up and be able to do some extra stuff can make a lot of money on roofs. I've been leaving it on the table, so I come to gather up my share. Oh yeah, look at that. Came out nice. Just let that stuff dwell on there. No need to rinse it or anything. Just got to make sure the vegetation's rinsed off. Everything works great that way. You don't want to get yourself in trouble killing a bunch of plants. All right. Oh yeah, look at that. All right, I'm happy. It works great. And the valve system is correct. It was running good. I wanted to take out of tank A right here, and I did. See, I marked the level. Now it took less than 5 gallons. It took like 3 gallons. 3 gallons of chlorine to clean that one side. So if you got 6 gallons here, that's very minimal. And you get 25 cents to 35 cents a square foot to clean a roof. I'm probably gonna stay on the low side of things. I just did a quote on one. I did it for 25 cents a square foot. It came out nice. It was a high price, but hell, look at that. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast, and I'm a happy guy, man. Couldn't ask for a better system. I love it. All right, we'll see you guys tomorrow. We got 2 house washes on the menu, and I just added a vinyl fence where I went and did the roof quilt. They're going to hold off on the roof for right now, but they are going to get their fence cleaned tomorrow. And I've done their pool cage, so they will hire me. I just need to save a little bit more money. All right, I'm Dr. Super Blast. If you haven't subscribed, please do that. And remember, get after it, baby. Oh, and if you didn't know, this is a Zeta 40P. Get after it! All right, also today, let's talk about water filters. Look at these. Look at these babies right here, huh? All right. These are the new and improved water filters, okay? They're going to replace these. These you have to really wrench on really tight with a pair of big channel locks to get it to not leak. This is the new improved version, so that's not going to leak. So we're going to switch these out. We'll do it during the week. These are clean filters still. You see through the screen there. So the next time I clean my filters, we're going to upgrade to these. And anytime you can improve your rig or do something to improve your performance and maintenance free stuff, make it easier to maintain, do it, baby. This stuff costs a lot of money, and the better you maintain it, the better off you are. So I rinsed this thing out for 10 minutes through the hose, so everything's totally rinsed out with fresh water. The system was purged for 10 minutes as well. So when you rinse this whole thing out, as you can see, the hose runs all the way through the system, and it goes through your diaphragm that's in there, okay? The only thing we're going to do next is we're going to add a return line to this second port, because you can run 2 guys off of this Zeta 40P, but I'm going to use it as a return line. So when this thing's in an idle mode, water is going to continuously run through the machine and the diaphragm to keep everything cooled off while you're, you know, you might be going to get something from your truck, or you might be just taking a pause to let the roof dwell. And I must say, for the first try at doing a roof, it looks like I'm going to do pretty good. The only thing I think I overdid, I might have put a little bit too much on there, just being impatient. I probably should just start at the top and let it drip down and let it dwell down a little bit. It might not even hurt to go ahead and get you a little ladder and just get eye level with the edge of the roof so you can go ahead and get up there and maybe do a lighter spray. You don't have to have such a long range tip on there. I'll figure it out. Anyway, any suggestions would be really great, but I will say this before you make any suggestions: I do not get on roofs. My insurance does not cover it. So I mean, I could be on a ladder on the ground looking at the roof, but I can't get on the roof. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing. Subscribe to the channel, tell your friends about it.